reshape these particular styles. We have to be them. As like for example, Bill Gates never said. Bill Gates speak very firmly, very quietly, healthy lifestyle and choices and stress managements and diseases and preventions. And today I am talking to Ali Adnan, and now I am talking to Mr. Talha, the very brilliant speaker of this class, Mr. Ali Abdullah. Very energetic and very unique student and very unique spokesperson. And Mr. Wasi, very brilliant style on the actual pitch of English speech. So please think about it, again think about it. Please move the camera to Mr. Ali Adnan. Mr. Ali Adnan, are you feeling better now to be a part of this particular spoken English class and spoken Urdu and speech class? Have you learned? Have you changed? Now you are a better English speaker or Urdu speaker? Can you give a 1-minute demo by standing and just starting the speech right now? Stop. There is brilliant activity that you have fetched. Are you agreed? Yes. Say with me. East or west? East or west. Ghazali is the west. East or west? East or west? Yes. Are you really enjoying the class? Yes. You please sit down. Now please, Mr. Cameraman, move the camera to Mr. Wase. Mr. Wase, please stand up. Start your speech right now.
Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about the exemplary life of Prophet Muhammad and the profound impact that he continues to have on humanity.
Stop, please sit down. You stand up, come here. Please. And start your speech in a sudden. Stop, sit down. Mr. Ali Abdullah, now it's your turn again. But before, I would like to you please come on. After that you will. While studying there, please move the camera to. Yes, start now.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today I want to talk about a great poet and a leader.
Stop. So, now you please stand up. You sit down.
Assalamu alaikum. I want to talk about a man whose life is exemplified the value of peace, compassion and empathy, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not only a messenger of Allah.
Stop. Mr. Talha, stand up right now. Start. Stop. Now, Mr. Ali Abdullah, at the end, you are going to demonstrate again your Urdu style.
साहिब सदर और हाज़िर मुक़द्दर अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मेरी तकरीर का उन्वान दनाए राज मुस्तक़बिल पाकिस्तान।
Stop. Same person doing two different speeches, one in English and one in Urdu, and both styles are different. Both styles are different. Are you fetching my point?
Yes, sir.
So these are the achievements by you, and I wish you all that you all 22 students, 24 students, 24 students will be qualified. I am praying for all of you that you all may qualify for your speech. And your speech will be sent to all the dignitative corporations like BBC, British Broadcasting Company, CNN, and Fox News, and PTV, and AOY, and Hum TV, and many other different broadcasting companies of Pakistan, particularly to FM frequency modulation centers, and to different other libraries, audio and visual libraries. Your data will be sent, your speeches will be sent. And at the end, I would like to request you that today is the last chance. Today is the last chance to win your tomorrow's demo, to win your tomorrow's demo, to win your tomorrow's position, to win your tomorrow's stage, to occupy firmly your tomorrow's position, stage, level. I'm again praying for all of you that you must not be disqualified. You must be qualified. You must be qualified. You may be qualified. May you qualify. May Allah qualify you.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. And at the end, I would like to say my audience, have you closed? At the end, I would like to give a special motto or slogan of my channel, particularly to all my audience, that I would like to say, do something more for humanity, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices, and must subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.